Welcome back to the GigaParts Product Spotlight. Today we're going to be looking at the eSun filament box, aka the eBox from eSun. This is a product that GigaParts has had in stock for quite some time. We're going to go ahead, we're going to unbox it, find out what's in here, as well as talk about some of the features on the product itself. So, hopefully, future episodes we'll be able to expand a little bit more so that we can have an overhead view as well that we can cut in. Got lots of really good tactile feedback here. Alright, so we are greeted like so. Immediately you should find the user manual. I would keep this on hand, even though on the website you can print out your own. So we're going to go ahead and set this aside and pull out the product itself, which you should find relatively easy. And there we go. My apologies to those of you out there who absolutely hate the sound of styrofoam. This isn't nearly as squeaky as what some other styrofoams are. Go ahead and take that off. And take this off as well. And we're greeted with the product itself. You'll notice on the front we'll have 4 buttons. Your on-off button, your mode button, and then up and down. Okay, when we open the shield like this, we're also greeted with a filament tube that can help you route that to where you want to on your printer so that it stays in an enclosed space the entire time. We also, in the center, we have the power adapter. Do not lose this. And then that's it. Alright. So, if you look in here, you'll see a little bit of craziness. You'll see that there's 2 rollers. You'll also see some other electronics as well. You'll also notice that there is a little pouch down here for you to put your desiccant in. The way that this product works is it maintains a constant temperature in here that allows you to offload the moisture from your filament into your desiccant pack with optimal efficiency. Depending on what you are looking for, let's say you're looking to use it with ABS or PLA, you will find that there are instructions here letting you know roughly what mode to set it on. We won't be going into too deep in this video, but it is all available in the manual. One thing I did want to go through is that you do not necessarily have to use the desiccant that comes with each roll of filament, though that is a really convenient place to have it. You can also purchase desiccant in small doses from other vendors as well, especially if you feel that yours has sort of reached its end of life, so to speak. If you don't go through your filament very often, that may be something that you may want to look into. Now, as far as average everyday use of this thing, you're not going to want to leave this thing on all the time. You're going to want to go ahead and turn this on a little bit before your print and the entire time of your print. Now you know, depending on what you're using, that could be anywhere between an hour before your print to 4 hours before your print. So this is definitely something you want to plan ahead in order to use. But once you do, you'll be able to make sure that you don't end up with additional bubbles, flaking, or other things in your end result print, which is super helpful. Even if you are going to end up painting your print, if you're going to do any finishing, like if you're going to be sanding, that sort of thing, super helpful to make sure that you have something that makes sure that you're not going to end up looking at your finished product going, well, it finished, but I'm not exactly happy with it. So that is the end of today's episode. I do look forward to hearing and seeing everyone's reaction to this. And I also look forward to doing many more of these, hopefully with other camera angles and maybe a little bit more in depth. If you'd like to know more about this product, the filament that we carry, 3D printers, or just about anything else that GigaParts sells, be sure to let us know in the comment section down below, or let us know by clicking this video and following us through to gigaparts.com. We sell amateur radio, we sell 3D printing materials, we sell just about anything and everything that our geeky hearts desire. Till next time, I'm Anthony with GigaParts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those things that make us here at GigaParts absolutely love our jobs. Also, be awesome to yourself and amazing to each other.